And I found some rust on the attachment points. I will start by removing this, vad fan heter innerskärm? Fender. I will start by removing the inner fender here and see how much rust there is in this area. And I maybe can see if they have changed part of the fender. So where do I buy this? I need 42 of them. This red plastic things I'm looking for. It's one left here. I forgot one. Much easier. The fender is changed from here and forward. I can see a welding. Don't know how much you can see. Here you have something left from the weld, and they have the welding all the way up here. You can see it down there. And I think they have done the same welding on the other side. We take that fender tool and see how it looks. We start with this one that I've forgotten on the other side. Let me know this is loose and this one is missing, and this one. Then we have another attachment point in the bottom here that are not the same on both sides. We have another two. Into this. This will do, I think. Whew. Oh, that's Let's see what I can find. Oh. I think this is original all the way. They haven't done anything here. Just the other side. Okay. Now I will take all the plastic clips off the car. But it's hard to do without breaking them. This is the one I'm searching for. Do you know where I can buy them? I need a lot of them. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 15, 16, 17, 18, 21. And the same amount on the other side. 21. It's 42 I need. 42 of these. Do you know where I buy them? It's a Ford Escort original for the front bumper. Some black ones. Have I put them there or not? The black ones I'm talking about here is the original mount for the rear bumper. I need a lot of them too. So help me find a place to buy them. Let's try out this cheap sandblaster and see if we can get rid of some rust. See what we have here. Couple of different options. This is the end piece. You can see what's fitting the best. And this one I think we fill up with sand. And this thing will be fitted here, I think. I don't know why I didn't do this earlier, but I have to take the wheels off, or else I can't reach everywhere. This is of course easier to do when the car is standing on the wheels and not jacked up on stands like it is now. Come on, show your muscles. How hard can it be? Oh, there you go. And another. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye.
Bye.